Hey everyone, ever feel like you are working 24 by 7 and your personal life is just hanging by a thread? Maybe you can't remember the last time you had a proper weekend. Well, today is the day we fix that. I am going to share with you how to create a work life balance that actually works. Let's get your life back. Shout out to my new viewers, welcome back to the tribe, and to my returning champs. Thanks for sticking around, you guys keep me going. Well, why work life balance matters more than ever. Let's talk about mental and emotional well being. You know how it feels when your brain is constantly buzzing and you are surviving on coffee and sheer willpower. Yeah, I have been there too. Balancing your life is not just about losing your mind, it's about living with a clearer, happier mind. When you find that balance, stress starts to melt away, and guess what? You stop feeling like a robot programmed to just get through the day. Did you know that working long hours without breaks can increase your chances of depression by 33%? Then talks about physical well-being. Let me real for a second. Sitting in front of a screen all day with zero movement. That's a recipe for disaster. We are talking back pain, weight gain, and serious burnout. Getting balance back in your life means making time for the stuff that keeps you healthy mentally and physically. Well, the fun fact is, standing off every hour can improve your focus and creativity by 46%. And trust me, your future self will thank you for it. Then talks about creativity and focus. Ever notice that when you are super stressed, your brain feels like it is running on dial up? Yeah, that is not coincidence. The more balanced your life is, the better your brain works. So if you are stuck at work, staring at the same problem for hours, step away, take a break. Your next big idea is probably waiting for you on that walk around the block. Then practical tips for real work-life balance. Set boundaries and stick to them like a pro. Here is the thing, boundaries are not just for kids who need bedtimes. Adults need boundaries too. Turn off your work notifications after hours. Stop checking emails at midnight, and trust me, no one is going to hate you for it. The three most important things each day. If you like me, you have got a to-do list that looks more like a novel. But here is the secret. Focus on just three things each day. One for work, one for your health, and one for your personal life. Well, the catchy tips is you don't have to do everything. Just do what matters most. And no to Netflix, as it doesn't count as a personal priority. Unless it is Sunday, then it's totally count. Time blocking with a twist. We have all heard about time blocking, right? But here is how to make it fun. Build it in rewards. Go through your work block without distractions. Treat yourself to a 15 minutes break to do something you love. Learn the power of saying no. No is a complete sentence. Saying no doesn't make you a bad person. It makes you a smart one. Protect your time like you'd protect the last slice of your pizza. Then batch like a boss. Batching is the ultimate life hack. Group your tasks together so you are not constantly switching gears. For example, answer all your emails in one go. Then jump into meetings and finally get some deep work done. Then think of it like cooking a big batch of food for a week. You are saving time, avoiding burnout, and it just feels good to get stuff. Then talk about real life balance. How to actually pull it off. Take breaks and make them fun. Breaks are not just for kids in school. You need them too. Study shows that taking regular breaks can skyrocket your productivity. So take 5 minutes to step outside, stretch, or even talk to your friends. The fun fact is, did you know that your brain based ideas usually come when you are not working? Yeah, turn out stepping away is actually good for business. Move your body. Remember, your body is not meant to sit all day. Get moving. Even if it's just a quick stretch or walk to the fridge, small actions really add up. Well, fun hobbies keep you sane. It's not all about work. Hobbies are the secret sauce to work life balance. Whether it is playing an instrument, baking, or just tuning out to a good book. Hobbies are really refuel your energy. Well, the conclusion talks about motivational wrap up. Balancing is not about having equal part work and life every single day. It's about knowing when to push and when to chill. It's about giving yourself the space to live your life fully. Well, the call out action is try one of these tips this week. Seriously, just one, and drop a comment below telling me how it goes. Well, waiting for the sneaky peeky for next video. If you are ready to take things off a notch, don't miss my next video on unlocking next level productivity without burning out. Because life is too short to be all work and no play. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you have not already, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in next one. Thank you.